Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to use Snap Camera for OmeTV. First of all, you have to download OBS Studio and Snap Camera. Snap Camera are officially discontinued, but you can download Yoku Snap Camera. You can search it on YouTube and download it. After that, you have to watch this video to work your OBS virtual camera with OmeTV. Follow all the steps on that video. Without this, you can't use Snap Camera for OmeTV. Okay, now first of all, open your device manager and find your webcams. So I have one webcam and snap camera. Now I am going to disable both cameras. After that, I am going to minimize device manager. Now open your OBS Studio and start virtual camera. After that, minimize it. Now open your browser. Now go to settings and search camera. After that, click on site settings. Now click on camera and you can see there is a camera called HD webcam. If you can't see that camera, then close your browser completely and reopen it. So I am going to select that HD webcam and going to OmeTV website. So now you can see my OBS Studio virtual camera connected to OmeTV. Now you have to minimize OmeTV tab in your browser. Don't close it. If you have closed that, you have to follow all steps again. Now open device manager and enable both cameras. After that, open your snap camera. Now you can see my snap camera working fine. Now select any filters that you want. Now open OBS Studio and add your snap camera. Now resize it and open OmeTV tab. Now you can see it's working fine. Every time you have to follow this video to use snap camera for OmeTV. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.